We understand, everyone understands real life is real life. But I think one of the things in this profession that you can preserve is that childlike curiosity, that excitement. Hi, I'm Mohar. I'm the co-founder of Co-Design, which is a branding consultancy based in India. It's actually been quite an experience because I'm very, very happy to see the variety of work that kids are doing, and I think it's very timely to see this kind of variety because right now I think India needs design intervention in so many different spaces. So I think this variety is a great reflection that there is a younger generation of designers which are they're excited to and they're ready to also engage with very different contexts. So I think what is really exciting is to sort of talk to them about what their expectations were, things that didn't quite work out, and all the little ways in which they solved it or why they even got interested. So I think it's always, for any of these shows, it's always the student interactions which are very, very interesting and a lot richer. I mean, everyone can see the work, it's put out there, but I think the conversations are always something to remember. I think they're all very, very grounded. So I think what is nice is they're not presenting, they're talking about what they work on, and you can see that they're very, very sort of passionate and excited to share. So I think just that sort of honesty and warmth is very nice in a show like this. What I'd actually really like to see in the coming years is more students going to each other's grad shows, right? Also, a lot of these grad shows I feel need to be opened up to school kids. Because I think they have a much better sense of, if they do choose to sort of take it up. So I think it's great, but I think these have to sort of work outside of the silos of a campus, right? So, there must be either, you invite, more kids, more students from other colleges as well, because I think that will make it a lot richer. Practices thrive on talent, right? And for you to sort of see what is happening out there, what is the kind of talent, what are people interested in. I think it's good, and I'm sure I've met a couple of people here who've come here with a view to sort of look at hiring, etc., right? So it is very important. Yes, we understand, everyone understands real life is real life, but I think one of the things in this profession that you can preserve is that childlike curiosity, that excitement. And so I think my advice would be to never let go of that kira. Right. I really don't think that people right now think design is easy, because I think people are seeing a lot more products and services out there, right, which are different from organically, products that just sort of came out of jugaad. But I think people are experiencing, and therefore I think people's perception of design has changed.